Hi, Amy Hunt here, home business expert. What I want to teach you today is how to grow an Etsy store through print-on-demand services like Printful, Printify, and Gooten using a software called Samarai automation. This is a brand new software. You are front of the curve. Stay tuned and watch the rest of this video to see how you can do print on demand and expedite the process of creating products and uploading them to Etsy through this software. Thanks for watching, guys. Home Business Expert. So let me introduce you to Sales Samurai. Basically, in a nutshell, what Sales Samurai does is it connects your Etsy shop to your other services that you do print on demand from. So if you're interested in doing print on demand, stay tuned. If you've never done it before, stay tuned. If you're an expert and you want a faster system, a faster process, stay tuned. This is very simple. I'll try to make it quick, but at the same time, I want to be informative and show you how you can get started. So first thing that I love about this is there's tutorials. I'm not going to even cover a lot of this information because you can sign up, just look in the description below. You can watch these tutorials on how to get started. So basic Sales Samurai searches, the competition tracker, favorites, calendar, and a Chrome extension. So I'm just going to briefly give you an overview of what this software does. Oh, and the most important, I can't believe I didn't scroll down and show you this, is the uploader. The uploader expedites, let's say you have 10, 20, 50, 100 products that you have on Printful and you want to put them on Etsy. This uploader is totally time saver. It's going to help you out. So what is Sales Samurai? Let's just look real quick. First thing is you have the tutorials. The second thing is you have searches. So what does the search do? You can do a basic search, and what I did, I pre-did this to speed it up. I did Lion and the Lamb to just show an example of something I'm going to work on and have been working on, and it's a t-shirt. So I do a search, and what does that do? It gives me the long tail keyword search grade. So it gives me an A, whether or not the phrase is long tail or not. So it gives me an A that it's a good search keyword. The next thing it tells me is the search volume and the competition. So it shows me how many other people are doing this keyword search. So now the other thing you can do is you can go in and do a single listing search. And I did the same product that I already listed. I went ahead and listed one so I could show you. And I ran basically a query on it, and it shows you information about that actual product. So if you have a product that you're spying on in Etsy that you want to like run information on, you can plug that in to the listing right here. That would be the ID, so like the web address. So I picked this right here, I copy it, and I paste it into Sales Samurai up here in the top. And then I do a search, and this is what I came up with. So there's a couple different ways that you can search products and try to figure out what you want to sell, what the competition is. You know, does it have enough images? Probably not. Like, can you make yours better and sell more? So that's some basic information it'll give you. Another thing it will do is it will connect your shop. So you would want to connect your shop. When I say your shop, I mean your Etsy shop. So the Sales Samurai is taking print on demand services and connecting it to Etsy. If you don't have an Etsy shop, you need to sign up for it before you can continue. You're going to connect here, and you're going to follow the prompts that shows you how to connect your Etsy store. So you go through allow access and just follow step by step. I'm not going into how to set it up because actually the videos and the tutorials will show you how to do that. So basically what this does is show your shop's active listing, total views, missing images, and just gives you a basic rundown of what's in your shop. So they only list the first 5 items. Obviously I have some more items there. Competition tracker. So basically if you have either shops or keywords up top here that you want to basically spy on or track, then you can plug these in. I'm just going to do, for example, let's just go back to the Lion and the Lamb. I want to see who's competing with me. So right away, I can see this is a competitor because they have 977 reviews. That's not sales. The name of the store is called Inst Merch. So what I do is I go back to Sales Samurai. I put in Inst Merch, and I go over here and I click Add Shop. It's going to plug that shop down into here, and it's going to show me the sales, the number of listings, the likes, and how long it was created. So it's going to give me some instant information. Now, if I click on it, it's going to take me to the shop, and I can just refer to see what some of their new products are, what's selling, what's getting reviews. You can spy on them basically. Let's go down to the competition tracker. Now let's go over to keywords. If I want to track some keywords, I can plug them in here. I'm going to do lion and the lamb, and I'm going to add those keywords. So those keywords are kind of my targeted keywords I'm going to use, and I'm going to favorite that. And what that does is give me the option to put it into a category. I've already entered a category. I'm going to have some sermon products, and that's one of my products that keywords I'm going to track. Now, if I go down here to favorites, you're going to see, I'm going to go over to keywords. I'm going to click on that. If I go back over here to sermon products, you're going to see the lion and the lamb is one of my favorited keywords, so I can refer back to that at a later date. And finally, the calendar. Basically what this is giving you ideas of what you can target for products. So not only do you have keywords to target, you not only have stores to target, but now you have a calendar that you can refer to give you ideas of what kind of products or what kind of t-shirts, kind of calendar, or what kind of posters you want to make. There's so many. Like, if you ever think the market is saturated, like, just go to this calendar. It tells you the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, and any unofficial holidays. Now, so there are two more features that are extraordinary and what puts Sales Samurai above any other software extension that I've used so far. And this is what makes Sales Samurai so unique. It's going to take information, take images, and take them from Printful, Printify, or Gooten and plug them and upload them by simply clicking these 3 buttons and then clicking Start Uploading. So that is how you're going to get it there. Again, look in the description below if you want the next video on how to do that. Finally, one of the other extraordinary features that this software has is this. This is the extension up here. Again, if you want it, you have to load it through signing into your Sales Samurai account. So once you're in your account, I'm going to show your account. Up here, it shows you Chrome extension. All right, so the Chrome extension is going to take you to the store. You're going to click load, and then it's going to pop it up into the top. It's Sales Samurai, and it's going to give you information on products. So let's just pick this t-shirt. But basically, you're going to see here, it gives you the keywords. If I click on that, it orders them. You can download this keyword list. You have to check off what you want. It's going to download it into a CSV file. You can also see over here on the right side the search volume, the competition, and the words. So you have a lot of things that you can actually target in on and focus. You're not just guessing now. Now, if you want to copy just this keyword, you can click this little clipboard right here and it copies it to your clipboard. If you want the keyword info copied to the clipboard, this is a little bit more, than you click on that. So check out the other videos that I have on listing your first item. How do you get started in doing this? I want you to check out the next video. I'm going to talk about how to upload products onto Sales Samurai and how you get started with your first listing in Sales Samurai in the next video. If you like videos like this and you want to learn how to start your own print on demand, get started with selling on Etsy and combine the two, I suggest you subscribe to my channel if that's something that would interest you. If you don't mind, give me a like button and comment below and tell me what niche that you might be interested in selling. Are you an artist? Do you just want to create products? Do you want somebody to create products for you? And tell me what you think. So thanks for watching, guys. Home Business Expert.